a resolution that expresses Sangguniang's favorable disposition toward the PTR Zero Cost Diversion Pilot Project and to authorize the mayor to negotiate and to finalize a contract of lease and a separate MOA with PTR upon submission of all required legal, environmental, and permitting documents.
Councilor Rosales?
It was not included, Mr. Chairman, but if the Honorable...
So that will be included under SBO.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Item number 8.
So there was this motion coming from the chairman of the Committee on Rules. Any second? Any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Order of business, reading and approval of the minutes of the previous session.
Councilor Rosales.
I move to dispense with the reading of the minutes of the 12th regular session of the 15th Sangguniang and move for its approval.
Any second? Any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Special business or order, the letter dated November 13, 2025 of the Honorable City Mayor seeking authority to enter into, negotiate, and sign a memorandum of agreement with Land Transportation Office for the implementation of Traffic Management Mentorship Assistance Program, Component B, procurement of traffic signal lanterns and installation system.
Councilor Omar Buenafe, Chairman of the Committee on Transport.
The LTO would like to assist the Naga City government in the procurement and installation of these traffic lanterns, traffic signal lanterns and installation system. So I move, Mr. Chair, that we authorize the city mayor to enter into, negotiate, and sign a memorandum of agreement with the Land Transportation Office relative to the implementation of the Traffic Management Mentorship Assistant Program, Component B, which includes procurement of traffic signal lanterns and the installation thereof. And I so move, Mr. Chair.
Any second? Any objection? There being none, the motion. Objection?
Just a query, Mr. Chair. Ini pong bagong traffic lights that is covered by the MOA, is this the same, the one installed, or is this a new one? And if it is a new one, saan po sa Almeda siya ikakabit?
Councilor Omar Buenafe.
Yes, Mr. Chair, it involves assessment of our traffic signal system in the city. So, part na kayang ginigibo nindang assistance si pag-determine kung saan si mga priority na lagan o ribayan na mga traffic lanterns, Mr. Chair.
Councilor Mendoza.
So this does not refer to the installation of a traffic signal system, but more on technical assistance, capability building.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
it involves
Councilor.
also. Yes,
Omar.
Mr. Chair, it involves also the procurement. Kaya ma-negotiate and with the agreement, yun nga, ang program is to mentor or assist the city government in the placement of these traffic signal lanterns and including how to procure them.
Okay, Councilor Mendoza.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ang nakalag po sa MOA, the Land Transportation Official transfer and turn over the ownership and full management of the program after the construction and installation of the traffic signalization. Medyo maribong guys, Mr. Chair,